Valentine is just around the corner. Have you found the perfect makeup look to make your crush freeze in awe? Today, I'm challenging myself to try the viral Douyin makeup trend that's taking over TikTok. Angelic big, round eyes, glass-like flawless skin, and seductive gradient lips. But can a newbie like me really pull off this beauty hack? Let's dive into this magical transformation and find out. To achieve crystal clear, flawless skin like a Douyin beauty, hydration is key. I start with my holy trinity. Chanel Revitalizing Serum to deeply moisturize. Clinique Eye Cream to erase panda eye dark circles. And Clinique Gel Moisturizer to keep my skin as smooth as a baby's. Next, I apply a thin layer of Laura Mercier primer to blur pores. Then blend in Lancome foundation with a brush. Followed by a damp sponge to achieve a natural, seamless finish. My skin now looks fresh, hydrated, and perfectly even, almost as if I'm not wearing any makeup at all. To cover any lingering imperfections, I dab a little Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Concealer on my smile lines and dark spots. A light dusting of translucent powder seals everything in, keeping my makeup flawless for a full 12 hours. The perfectly shaped brows are the first step. I use Rustic from the Soft Glam palette to create natural depth. Shape my brows with Anastasia brow pencil. And set them with Kiss Me mascara for a fluffy, natural, feathery brow effect. For that signature Douyin flushed glow, I apply Kylie blush from my cheeks to my temples, blending softly into my eyelids for a seamless monochrome look. My face instantly looks fresh, radiant, and youthful. Now let's enchant my eyes with a magical transformation. First, I use sienna to softly define the outer corners. Make sure to blend the outer corner of the eyeshadow seamlessly into the pink base on the eyelids, using a fluffy blending brush for an even finish. Use a small brush to apply Cypress Umber close to the upper lash line to define the eyes. Then, draw an ultra-thin eyeliner along the lash line. And apply natural-looking false lashes with moderate thickness. Don't forget to curl your real and false lashes together for a seamless blend. The real game changer? Aegyo Sal. I use BBIA beige eyeliner to line my lower lash line, slightly extending it for a naturally rounded, doll-like effect. A touch of Dear Dahlia shimmer on the center of the lower lash line makes my eyes sparkle like a K-pop star. That's not all. Applying false lashes to the lower lash line is the real secret to achieving big, bright, and doll-like eyes. If you want your eyes to look even bigger and more defined, try slightly extending the false lashes at the outer corners like this. Applying false lashes to the lower lash line can be a nightmare for many, but the ones I'm using are super easy to apply and look incredibly natural. I almost always use this type. The purchase link is in the description below. Apply sienna to the triangular gap between the upper and lower lash lines to create a natural depth for the eyes. Use a fine brush to apply noir from the palette along the eyeliner to add shadow and dimension to the outer corners. For extra sparkle, dab a touch of bronze shimmer from the Soft Glam palette onto the center of the eyelid. Just a little and your eyes will instantly glow. To further define the eyes, lightly apply Cypress Umber to the inner corners. Before applying mascara, I'll contour my nose and face. When contouring the nose, blend the shade from the nose bridge up to the eyelids to create a seamless, natural definition. For a radiant complexion, I use the pink highlighter from Bobbi Brown. It adds the perfect glow while still looking natural. Next, I apply Maybelline Sky High Mascara to lengthen and curl my lashes. To prevent clumping, I use the Real Techniques Lash Separator. Before moving on to lip makeup, I set my face with Clinique's setting powder to control oil and ensure long-lasting wear. I start with KVD liquid lipstick, gently outlining my lips and adding a tiny dot of color at the Cupid's bow before blending outwards. For that irresistible ombre effect, I layer Fade Violet from the CLIO Orchid Cloud palette around the edges, then blot gently with a tissue to lock in the color. One more round of blending ensures a soft, effortless transition. apply a glossy layer of Bobbi Brown lip gloss. And a tiny dab of ice cream shimmer in the center, creating juicy, kissable lips that look like they're coated in honey. A Douyin princess is incomplete without perfect gradient lips.
You're the reason I smile, my sunshine so bright. You fill my world with joy and light. I'm grateful for you every single day. You're the love of my life in every way. Forever and always I'll be yours. My heart is yours.
From a barefaced girl next door to a true Douyin princess, my transformation is complete. Big innocent eyes, radiant glass skin, and juicy gradient lips. This look is crush approved. And the best part? Anyone can achieve this look by following these simple steps. So what are you waiting for? Let's stun our crushes this Valentine's Day. Are you ready to try this Douyin makeup? Drop a comment below and share your results. Tag your besties so they can glow up with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more game-changing beauty hacks.